This screencast will familiarize you with the Google toolbar. As you can see, we have our document that we started previously. If we're going to take a look at this area up here, we've got our printer button, which is something that we'll talk about further down the road. This is the undo button and the redo button. I'm going to go ahead and just paste some text into here. And if I wanted to take that back out, I could just hit the undo. It'll take it out, and then the redo. We're currently looking at 100%. We can move it up, move it down, whichever we prefer, just by doing that. This is normal text as opposed to like if you want to have a title or subtitle. Here is the font selection. If you would like to use a different font other than what is offered, and there's a number of them that are offered, you can go down here and select more. Google has them available for you. Font size, we're currently at 11 pitch, and then we have the selections for bold or italics, underline. If you want to change the color, you can do it like that. And if I want to go back, I can do my undo button. Here's another thing you can do. You can insert a link. So the word forms would be the text, and let's see. We could just put that link in there and apply it so that when somebody clicks on it, it'll automatically take them to that document. Or you could have it also direct them to a website. All right, currently we're at the left alignment, but we can go to centered right alignment or justified. This is the line spacing. The default is set at 1.15. You can go to single, or if you would prefer double. It's a good idea to make that decision before you start so you don't have to go back and change things. I can number, I can bullet, and there's different types of bulleting that you can select from. I can indent if I'd like, or I can decrease the indent. And then finally, this is a clear formatting button. So say I had pasted this from a website and the font was rather large and I wanted to have it just some regular font size. I could go to clear formatting and it will take it back to the regular size. This button over here is we're editing the document directly right now. When you're collaborating with other people, you can set it to suggesting so that the edits that you make are shown as suggestions, and then also you can view what the document's going to look like. And then this button up here is to hide the menu if you'd prefer that view. And another feature that will be useful, especially when we start using Google Documents with students, is the ability to make comments. So I can click on a comment and make my comment here. And then the person that has shared this document with me would be able to see my comment. Or if I'm just wanting to make a notation for myself, you can resolve it, you can edit or delete the comment later on if you'd like. That about does it. That's the end of this screencast. Thank you for listening.